You're about to experience what's next, right here. Welcome to Avid Trendsetter, the home of fresh ideas, bold moves, and unstoppable energy. Get ready to dive into the trend, because the spotlight. Let the journey begin.
AI is not a new invention. It started over 70 years ago. Imagine a world where thinking machines were science fiction and computers filled entire rooms, humming with possibility. This is the secret history of artificial intelligence. The story begins in the 1940s. In dimly lit laboratories, visionaries like Alan Turing asked, "Can a machine think?" Turing's question became the spark. His work on the Turing test and early computing laid a foundation that still endures. As the 1950s dawned, the first digital computers emerged. It was a time when scientists dreamed of automating logic and reasoning. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference became a watershed moment. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence, uniting minds across mathematics, computer science, and psychology. This was when the seeds of AI were sown. In the 1960s, early programs like ELIZA and SHRDLU dazzled the public. ELIZA simulated conversation, responding to typed statements with uncanny accuracy. SHRDLU manipulated objects in a virtual world, showing that language and logic could be entrusted to machines. The promise seemed boundless, yet by the 1970s, optimism collided with reality. Computers struggled with context and ambiguity. Funding dwindled as progress slowed, an era known as the AI winter. Still, researchers pressed on, believing that knowledge and reasoning could be encoded. The 1980s brought expert systems, which used rules to mimic human decision-making. AI found its place in medicine, finance, and industry. These systems demonstrated that machines could analyze complex information, offering valuable insights. But limitations remained. Flexibility, creativity, and true intelligence lingered out of reach. Another AI winter arrived in the late 1980s. Expectations once again exceeded capabilities. And yet, the journey continued. Through perseverance, new techniques emerged. Neural networks, inspired by the brain's architecture, reignited hope. In the 1990s, computational power surged. Researchers revisited neural networks, this time with greater data and processing. By 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov, proving machines could master strategy. An old computer transformed, metaphorically and literally, into an AI brain. After the turn of the millennium, the digital age accelerated progress. The internet seeded vast amounts of data, and algorithms evolved to make sense of it. Breakthroughs in deep learning allowed machines to recognize images, understand speech, and drive cars autonomously. Visionaries like Geoffrey Hinton, Yann LeCun, and Demis Hassabis reshaped the field. In 2016, AlphaGo's victory over a champion at the ancient game of Go became an iconic moment, demonstrating AI's ability to grasp complexity and intuition. Today, AI is woven into daily life. It recommends music, assists medical diagnosis, and powers language translation. The journey has been long and arduous, a transformation from vintage computers to intelligent networks, echoing the cinematic shift from flickering reels to vibrant digital screens. So what secrets does the history of AI hold? It tells us that progress is never a straight line, but a tapestry woven with failures, breakthroughs, and vision. From dim rooms of the past to luminous screens of the present, AI's story is one of relentless curiosity. As we look ahead, the most profound chapter may still be unwritten. The thinkers who shaped AI, Turing, McCarthy, Feigenbaum, Hinton, remind us that innovation springs from a willingness to question and explore. Artificial intelligence is not just a technological phenomenon. It is a story of human ambition, creativity, and perseverance. And its secret history, hidden in the timelines of old computers and bright minds, invites each of us to imagine what tomorrow's AI can achieve. What will the next transformation be? Perhaps it will be shaped by you, or by someone inspired by the hidden story of AI. The journey continues, as long as questions survive. The secret history of AI is a testament to time, patience, and possibility. Let curiosity guide you, as the timeline flows from vintage labs to the next chapter, toward a future where the artificial and the intelligent intertwine, carrying the legacy forward.